Gasimbagana ne bannamawulire wano ku Radio Simba. Peter Kibazo mu studios ogikwanjulira. John Kakande, Aisha Kawanda, Mwanga Kivumbi ne Charles Bwomushana.
Nti mu weeks bili masks nja kubanzi wadde. Oteeka okumanya tulina capacity. Tulina resources. Kubanga twagenda okukola analysis. Nga ne capacity ezikola teriiwo.
So tu ngobadde crude oyagadde company bill satunya zeziba zikola because you fear to spread sente mu bantu mu mutima ogutali mulungi because mask no wekyalana agikola. There is no big deal. But women organization ibo na wali obuwa sente nogamba nti abekibi byawo abegundi yawo mukyala gundi kola masiki bwezi tikukyala the job would have been done no musasula. Now
full figure tamanyi kuzikola.
No. Be mind you got a full figure. Now you really no forum is serious. Now it is serious now. To full figure one. So no whether is a candidate or not tombulira full figure. Kakati mbadde genda kugamba nti so you have teacher to shake a past of the state. Kati nego president benefit joina inti bino no bobimanyi. You a consumer of intelligence, economic analysis, capacity gemina, good research. You are not a Chibazo, a journal, no speculating on any issue. You are fed by the finest. And I can tell you, analyzing the best brains.
Much better because I don't read New Vision.
No. Peter, abana try to show manabo, abasinga ngokuba abagezi. They work for this government. True. Tenza kwanga basirwala batusema government. Ntikakati beba joining a government emitwene jiwumba. No, they have the best of the brains and they bamubulira bino.
That's why they can write very good documents.
Two, president ne tumuwa benefit endala. Buli sente zayagala mu parliament. Okola byagala okola ne tuzimuwa.
Ne resources ne tuzimuwa. Kati
the problem is a crisis joina mukovi. Tinabwe gamba twaga mutulimba. If a state reaches that level, Peter, no gende uwe waka, no tuza abana. Nebada mchina dadi mloza tade talimba. Umawa sana o. Ngabana ye.
Dadi wamalo kuwaga mami. Dadi
yabada dadi yabada serious. Umawa yabadali. Talimba. Umo inechiziwe wakao.
Buli omu n'abiiginoring.
Omanya there is a crisis in the home. Mu nyumba ngaze nalabe wakibazo wamu n'emigu.
Kakati eyo one big problem. But it's not with the COVID CAGRS. It has been building all over, and that's a picture of Museveni. Mu eyes zabantu. COVID temukyusa. Is that man doesn't stick byayogera ko wabasubiza middle class. At every turn, you have been proved to be a liar. Kati yonagwa n'omuteeka wali. That's where you are. Kakati problem yajanti ne traditional institutions ezandiyambe to build institutions. Nazo ne falling for the same lie. Ne problem yaje tunokwasessinga zo traditional institutions.
Omanyimu wango oyogedde kanjogere. Benali wano last week ngambuza ku relevance ya different institutions, religious, traditional, social institutions, na taking a lot of stick in the week. Na wavumiride kanisa, wavumiride obwakabaka naki ne awo we wali crisis ya esinga obunene.
Because
when governance collapses, we should have alternatives. Tulina okubaako gye tugenda wano Obote bwe yali atta abantu. Okay. Wakati wa 8 ne 85 abantu bali na trust nti ne bwembeera Amina ne bwembeera Aisha bwenzirukira ku parish hall ensambya nja kubeera safe. Eyo safety nga baginere ekiro ng'abantu tobabuulira nti ogwo muzikiti oba kerezi oba ki bonna bagenda ne bagamba let's congregate here. We have comfort, we have trust in this institution. Now if you went there, the institution would call those you are running away from.
You are not in Uganda. Kati nonya mikono for nominations for president. Forms je ziri mu byalo. Oyagamba fomu njina naye kutayako mukono 12. Edda bogama nesimba obera akunominatinga then ne seconda. Kati teka ligamba nomination yo efuna abawagizi 10. Naye yaganza okuwagira nomination yo for president of the republic. Njagala 10 years.
So what so no kwegendereza. Ayinza okubanga ne identity card yako.
No, I'm saying fake. And I'm talking about grade ya kibazo. Ayagala 10 years, 12. Now katubo nominating
bonomere na $10 wange tojja.
Bona nominating
ngalo omushana.
Bona nominating era kusiringise 12. Bwe enfuka president. Kwacho obombuza bibuzo.
Mwanga ngaddayo wano monitor kubiye cartoon in reference to Mwanga kyagamba. Nga boogera ku government announcement okuwa abaana tablets ezinabakuuma mu lockdown ndozo butafuna mbuto. Oyagamba nti minister yagambe we promise that we shall keep on promises. We shall keep on promising more. Radios, e-learning, posho, masks, pads naga empty. Nateka wondala balloon zili empty katana zili yao.
Kakati that goes without saying nti supporting institutions zetwina zeziliwa in case the state trusted. Then traditionally tudduka eri cultural leaders, tudduka eri banadini,
faith institutions,
over you'd run to popular leaders, because the president may have lost it, but how about those that are popular? Barumushana bagara oba president does Romushana chovula wakati baga nti Romushana nzo kumutekerako mpaye bili wakiri, because the voter doesn't trust that Romushana means well. No. Ajakuba no mugaso. Oba byagendako bibye. Kya mugamba no amani
Temera. No yo. Please, no yo. Ekolo omulonzi innocent. You see, that's the danger you are having. All leaders don't mean well. There will be a leader who will mean well, but society collapses.
Perception of
it's not even. You see, for you are making that voter, that ordinary person, innocent. Nti ye ali innocent na ye perception ye kuba neighbor be mbi. No, that
and collapses.
No,
Babili.
You see, you are
society over the leader.
No, the society
leader yali and trusted.
No,
and the society is responding.
Mr. Museveni,
the leader is a reflection of the society.
No, it is the other way around. Museveni yasanga system. Museveni yasanga society nga nungi. The society was okay in 1980s. Yachigenderera ajikutule ajite, and he has achieved it.
So the point is, Jengamanti, even when you look at would have been alternative voices, because where the main is not, where are the alternative voices? Holistically, are they also trusted? Or do they indeed trust? Fabali mu opposition, we must answer. If Museveni is not believed in Butambala, Nzebe ngenda muanga gobalondanga and the opposition, nemba gamba, abange, the disease is real. Am I trusted?
Mazidi wano.
Am I trusted? Nze nainako omusajja imam ngeri very annoyed najje wange kwididde eri asooka nangamba bajja basatu nanga kitulese wano batugana kusaaza nefe twaga kutandika nese okutubulira ebya covid nimuga nti aseka covid jali kati Museveni talimba. I'm telling you experience. Yes.
Problem. Ndika kachono ali mu government. Could you be kati oyo imam wa sheikh akutrustinga. Singa government yande de tactical. Yani ganti ebutambala. Atweke
mwanga yaba
personal. Delivering message. I mean message since the lockdown abade consistent this problem is real. Na yo de konga this weekend jango delivering a message yo social media so on voice
government be tuke butambala instead of using Chivumbi ali trusted, yes, or later you impose an RDC as your voice. RDC bamulabanga an extension yoli. So you are not helping. The question is netibaramunti atoli when COVID came you saw an opportunity, a political opportunity. Kati mfunye opportunity mbadde n'ebizibu, I'm going to shut these ones down and send alatezaita. They built consensus mu leadership, all opposition, all stakeholders. These are the facts. Nebebya bya science gwe basinzikideko kuleta guidelines bonna bano n'abakuvuganya because it is science. Expose them, say these are the issues. But do you have that kind of leader? No, you have a leader who completely lost it. Kane tugenda n'ebisemba ebya bibiri lokwa banne babyogeddeko
experience jenyina ku RDC ono jenyina ku RDC taina kukola kintu mu district nga gwe MP toli mu lukiiko olwo so muyina okubeera mu bachairman LC5 DPCs n'aba that is the security committee. Where you don't sit is the intelligence committee. So Sirava, how you wouldn't help the MP?
I don't sit on any district committee apart from a district council. So you see, you should have taken that care. No man, how do we handle this? Whom do you deliver? Because a message and the messenger are both important. Okay? Atwala ubaka no ubaka bionabichi bodja no katebira bizibu bibiri. And your strategy was built on your chronic weakness to convert COVID. Strategy ya mwefe twajizimba the entire strategy nti tetuyina capacity. Nolwekyo ne betwa tetuyina capacity nga bakyana kye bayita scientist window of opportunity to stop the spread. Nga tuyina kozesa security. Okay? Nolwekyo the huge budget ya COVID chunk ya soka yagenda ku security because we have in perception a kind of robust security mechanism nti osobola okozesa security to start movement bichi no gonna spread. Other countries were pursuing dual. Okay? Curtail the spread, build the capacity to
while you build the capacity.
Bakozesa window, actually window yali yaktuwa bibiri. If we don't build this, if we don't spread stop the spread, curtail the spread, then tukozesa this period okuzimba capacity. Now
you can audit that. Yagamba agenda kuzimba bitanda 10 na mbole gendo rambule jebiri gendo rambule
anti ayogere byo yala president agamba bitanda na mbole baita wabiraba zero kati the less I saw agati abaye na mbole land is being encroached on
kanko jikuze twali no mukuru ono ekibazo omukuru oyo najja natugamba nti tuzimbye
amasomero
amalwali 13 nagamba nti PPS kyambadde Ameria bwe namala okwogera jako the complete list up to now for the list
kakati so the opportunity yali meant to do to yes yali soka kola bibiri so we have not delivered. Now security nefuna problem Nero was because they are hero trained. One president not to expose his elite security to COVID. Okay? Najije complete not retera bana abafu betwafuna. Ahabo ngate chovula baba twala form 4s jeta form of 4s omulwadde mubanga tuna nyinyi nagati nyino bajjayo ngenze ngende mba training
before COVID killed
before COVID killed his forces had killed more than COVID in operation. That is the state for you. Two ngono orokuba
ba clarifying abagamba nti most operations for every mission what I call our special training. Unfortunately, there was no training for this force. Ngabagenda ku executing this mission of COVID. No, they mishandled it.
No, Peter Timani nti bali abajasibo omukulu bajiranga mu motoka mpya mu uniform mpya ne balaba abasajja abatayina bebatasasudde abatayina mmere waka nga bebataddeyo as the front line soldiers to confront this disease. bali ababe abategese nti no, my infrastructure cannot be exposed because it can be deliberated. It is lapidated. Ekisembayo is corruption. Nti when COVID came, business people, okay, leaders saw an opportunity to make money. Each one of the parliament in Rwanda nafe tugenda kuziria. Simanyi omukuru na ende ozanaga katikati kasokedde mfuna opportunity yazino na zino ngenda kwa accumulating ez'obululu. So each one of us, corruption came back. Getubadde naye to haunt us. So the factors.
So the laws are muntu wabulijjo.
Gasimbagane ne bannamawulire wano ku Radio Simba. Peter Kibazo mu studio zo jikwanjuja. John Kakande, Aisha Kawanda, Mwanga Kivumbi ne Charles Womshana. John.
Yes sir.
Nkoma ku events endala eza weekend. Ngenda zigata. NRM ebadde n'akalulu kaseek. Balonze babadde ne discomforts, but my gut is amataringa ali omu yali delivered Mwami Museveni. Abasigadde ping pong nti the giver
oja kukinyonyolesha ping pong
the giver asobola okugamba nadduli nti tebakulonda butereevu nenja kuwa wane ekifo nebigenderako, like I said about John Patrick Amama Mbabazi Edda nti power ya state NRM, and I don't quite make the difference between the state and the NRM. It irradiated from the principle. Finished. Kati eyo balonze wamu n'ekyo wabaisha nabo ba delivering the principle nga presidential candidate. That also is given. Nalabye yabadde ono omubaka wa parliament bamuyitani Sempala Kigozi sajja lyabene sajja lyabene ngaga nti naye giant the gentle giant bwagamba yagambye nti bo baali basalawo da ebbanga lya myaka ng'ebiri emabega nti ekyo kyasalibwawo nti kati eno
vision biera
yabadde routine. Of course n'ateekako n'ekyokujerega naga nti kati nga Mwami Besigye bwe yavudde mu kalulu nakyo njagala ekyo kankireke kye yayogedde. I think baŋŋaana ebivumo tebitumwa naye ne Mwami Besigye mu wiiki emu naga nti kukano kabbaloti kano temundabye siriyo nkugambye nti mu media, in terms of the media ya losing the story. Njagala ogatte events za week ezo mumpe political trajectory.
Osobola okubuusa amaaso ensonga esinga obukulu mu ebigenda mu maaso.
Oh yes, actually njagala ogitagging youth elections. Actually, special interest groups elections, not per se youth.
Osobola okubuusa amaaso ensonga esinga obukulu mu bino byonna ebigenda mu maaso. Simanyi abatina ebyobufuzi obanga baki notinga nti ekikulu ekisinga mu byonna ebigenda mu maaso tekiri kuba NRM eronze etya abakulembeze baayo internal democracy naki oba NAP oba FDC. Ekikulu ekigenda mu maaso kyendowooza nti kyandibadde of a lot of interest to the process, the transparency, the fairness of the electoral process. Nti eno NRM purportinga nti eri mu internal processes, okay, but in effect it is a campaign across the country. Ngate the competitor or the competitors by the virtually restricted to their homes or their party headquarters. Onfuna. Emu and people have not analyzed it. Emu ku, but one of the professors Makere quoting, I think he brought up the issue. Emuku tool is very important. Campaign. Rallies, mass rallies. You use it to mobilize. Not only here, that's also the quarrel in the US. Trump has been pushing for opening up to mobilize his base. But Democrats, they have a very weak candidate. Who's fond of making a lot of gifts. They don't got anything to do with opening campaign. Boys. Therefore, they are trying to this.
He sent me to sleep.
They want to ensure they are voting on what now they believe, on the perception, not on seeing the candidate. Therefore, let them vote on this man's record, not the other man's strength.
Or the absence of it.
Kakati waneno. Once you have removed the political campaign, the mass rallies out of the picture, okay? The only activity that makes you visible is this kind of activities NIM is undertaking. Bobanga or keeping the entire country, you have got all the media, the electronic media focusing on your activities. Effectively, you are holding a mass rally electronically. Onfuna? Electronically. Kakati atono. You are competitor. You would be competitor. Police, what an instruction. And it should not appear on any radio station.
On your point, that you are an editor of the most widely saturated papers. What are your business? I immediately want to go over my TV.
Let us go slow. Let us go slow. You're making a very big mistake, if that's what you believe. Actually, right now, the party that is visible across the country is the NRM and its people. All the other competitors and the horrors thinking they will have a time to come out. That time will never come before elections. Next week, starting next week and onwards, they are going to, of course, the party primary and have you. Which again give them the visibility. In the mind of the voter. Why is the Colgate still advertising today? We're Colgating a wali. Because you must continue reminding to Wendy. Okay? Kakati, you see the ruling party is intentionally making these situations to ensure until it is visible, the others are not visible. So that to me is a bigger issue. Much as you are free to do those activities, also should be able to allow your competitors nabakuvuganya bakirize kubanga mugamente ebintu byakobera electronic.
Kakande omanyi sometimes oddayo nobeera the Kakande idealist gwe twanditutte nga consultant eri n'osomesa abaana. One, when did their competitor allow them? Who of the competition eyazze eyabadde asuubira nti ono gwe bavuganya naye agenda kubeera n'ekisa ekitakoma akole oluguudo nga lwebwenkanya? If any of them expected that, mu luzungu tugamba they are deluded.
No. Look.
Balina okukola nga bamanyi nti ono gwe tugenda okuvuganya naye omusalira ga walugali teriyo mulundi na gumu gwogenda kumusuubira kugamba nti oluguudo luteredde ffenna tugende. No way, never. So what you need to do is beat the Iron Curtain. How?
First of all,
is what they are deployed.
First of all, bakutegereza nti bonogenda into open campaign. You are endangering the population, and you can be charged. No gende kitalia. That's one. B.
Techali ruzira.
Electoral Commission yakutegereza nti banobo no kwa appearinga for the activities. Geared towards election. Kubegena ku TV or radio. You don't need the police permission. At the same time, that Electoral Commission is not able to control, to tell the police into why. Totawanya Chaguranyinga against Mbale. You leave him to appear on the program. Obanga against the Ginger. Don't disrupt his program. Okay? The Electoral Commission, who is the umpire, who is the regulator, Atunura is looking on as this competitor who has already written.
When didn't they look on, John?
Then, why should we pretend that there is going to be a free and fair election?
Who said so?
The people who are the organizer and the government.
Who said so?
Aisha.
I am taking them by their word. I mean, he said, me, I'm a military leader. Well, then even you. Into a military leader, Tietaga Kuronda. You should be straight, no gantinze, if you Kuronda. See young.
Ekisooka nze njagala kuyozayoza Kanukiza Besigye okusalawo n'akola kya musajja mukulu n'aga nti owange kimala kanjira nnyimirizaako wano olwo olugendo nkwata olugendo olulala ffe ng'aba people power bwe twatulako ne Kanukiza Besigye twakkaanya obutalwanagana kubanga tulowooza tukola kozi y'emu ne tukkaanya okuwagiragana ku bisoboka tife tugola pulaani A era tusaba otuwagire mu pulaani A nawe tukkiriza okole pulaani B by'onootugamba nko tunaakuwagiranga nga bwe twakola pulaani ya Kasepiki yali pulaani ya Kasepiki pulaani B era ne tumuwagire ne tugikolako kye twakolako naye n'ebirala tunaabitegeeranga mpola mpola ne tulaba bwe tubitambuza. Awadde FDC omukisa ndowooza okwebbulula kino nkitwaliza nga nkigatta wamu ku mulamu kumwa gw'otaddeko eri Museveni yazze solo candidate eno waliyo Kyagulanyi Robert Sentamu NRM bwe yali ekola ebibiina bino entandikwa yaabyo yalwanyisa nnyo political parties nezivumirira nesimba omusingi gwa individual merit netekola ekibiina kyayo nga kyetolerera ku Museveni the man era abantu balaba nti Museveni waatali oba oliawo NRM tebeerawo mu nkola y'emu FDC nayo neetandika ng'etandikidde ku Kanukiza Besigye ng'omuntu bantu bangi nnyo badde batunulira Besigye ng'omuntu era nga atawagira Besigye tabawa FDC mulungi bwe kityo nakyo it's a statement of fact nti ne people power entandikwa yaayo mu kuzimba kubanga balaba nti balwana Museveni gwe balaba nti asobola okubayamba okulwana Museveni okuvaawo was Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu n'ebisinga obungi bikoleddwa nga bitandikidde ku ye ng'omuntu ebirala be evolving what's our ideology values zaffe zijja kuba ki tukole they are evolving naye nga nakyo is a statement of fact tujja kukyekwekerera nti abantu balabanga Robert Kyagulanyi ayinza okubayamba okudelivaringa the change okubatuusa ku nkyukakyuka gye basinga okubeera nga bettanira ago mazima newankubadde ebibiina byonna bibadde biteekawo akalunuze kendowooza nti akama kwekansaamu NRM neteekawo banange mujje ne beeterawo abantu ntu baabwe bwe bamala bwe babajjayo bosobola kuvaayo serious ntoza kuvuganya n'obeerawo n'osurvivinga nga tosobola kubanga
it's not them the people who can deliver the change but it's the individual Kyagulanyi who can deliver the change.
because you need a leader in this thing. Wetaaga omuntu asobola okukanyizibwako ali acceptable across kubanga wetaaga people have been rallied wakati baba rallyinga babakunganyiza ku muntu abantu tebakyabakunganyiza kwa ideology abasajja bana bakola Democratic Party ne bibine ebyasooka gye batandikira baga nti ono ajja kumalako ajja kutukolera kati batunula kunoonya kulaba tukyusa tutya embeera eno ne Besigye bwe yali baga ono gwe tulesewo amagye ajja nakubasobola ye ate abadde nabo mu nsiko ate akoze ati abategeera bulungi. You see, everything is building around the person. Kyendowooza nti it's not healthy. Kiteekwa okukyuka gye tugenda mu maaso. Mbadde nkugamba nti NRM neteekawo beteekawo bajje bavuganye nenga olusibira byaki ng'ebitali serious. NUP ndowooza singa sikulowooza nnyo kiteekwa okuyita mu mbeera we must seem to be democratic. Certainly bandibaze bagamba nti ono ye waffe kubanga oli wadde amanyi Robert Kyagulanyi ajja kukola ki ajja kuvuganya. But we must seem to be these are the facts I must put out. Oba tubyagala kubanga tetwate tusuubira nti ajja kubayo abajja newe bandize. NUP erina constitution yayo gye yasikira obusikizi n'abadde ngezaako nnyo okugyetegereza nga ssemateeka yayo egamba abalonda candidate okubeera kufuuka president it's NEC and then NEC ya NUP nga y'abantu batono nnyo, they are 21 people. Bakwetagisa a nominate and 2 seconders kati abantu bano bakubeka akalulu kakati nga nebuuza Romushan they are not nengamba Romushan ono Romushan ono ndi omu Romushan ono yandize ne usanga ne NRM sigimanyi nnyo gye mbaddemu emyaka mingi. Romushan ono yandize n'asaba akalulu ne bakamuwa mu bantu abo yandize would anyone come out of 21? It is so restricted. So tulowooza nti at one time tujja kujja tujikyuse, but that's what it is. So embeera gye tulimu oluusi
nti mwenda
yandize n'ajjayo empapula and those 21 ne bamugamba nti genda otukwatire kaadi yaffe. So ng'okiraba nga kibadde nga kizibuzibu naye nze ndowooza nti ebisooka biteekwa okukolebwa bitutuuse kubeera ebikola ki ebigenda mu maaso ye history gye tutambuliddemu ebimu bijja kukyuka nga NRM bwezebeera n'obuvululu bw'abavubuka for a long time. Ono mwango ono mbadde mu senda nnyo ategere ebintu by'obululu bw'abavubuka nga sibitegeera ndeka tabitegeera ante siika bonna abakulembeze mu opposition nga bwe bagamba nga NRM yeekolera ka class k'obululu bwabwe ng'ebyo byo byabwe osanga nga nange nayina omukisa okubitegeera kubanga entandikwa yange yaliko eyo naye okubanga for the first time wadde NRM yeewanaga njule yeewana we have 75% because that's what they're declaring tufunye 75%. Okay, 75% nayo you acknowledge nti nabala baparticipate nze bulijjo ate tebabikola ki tebabibeeramu completely obulwavuka bavubuka simanyi bakyala simanyi balema simanyi biti. It's been a preserve of the NRM. Kati nenoza nti ebintu bigenda bikyuka bukyusi bwe bityo jona nini navuka ina dinyogera nabo balinga mu myaka nga 3 mu 2 ne mwatukola bubi nnyo lwaki bino bintu mwabitulanga nti byabaye nga yo naffe ne tufuna omukisa ogwetabamu tebamanya. So gradually ebintu jagenda nga bikyuka mpola bituuke mu gye twagala bikole ki bibeere. Naye nze njagala okuyozaayoza abaana benkyukakyuka abeetayo mu kalulu ako wakati naddala pate gye ndimu eyange wakati mu kubanga pate yabadde yakavaayo mu mwezi gumu ne challenges z'okusaasaanya obukulembeze nga bwe ziteekwa okubeera mulina okubeera ne ba district registrars mulina okulufuna abantu abo kyalo ku kyalo at all villages babakoonereko stampu batege babeereyo.
Nali nkumanyi nga muwanga nirinya Muhammad nali siremanyi katosobola kumpayiriza you the kitegeeza tribalist means believing in tribalism. Naye since sikulaba nga Muganda but that's what you are.
Exactly jenganti kati chengamba manyi bano anyway siche chandese the one what is being said in Zonasha Gambians certain things are changing. Reason right to is never try to encouraging abavubuka abafe genda mu youth council yali out of our experience. Bwe twali tuzimba youth leadership tulina bye tulabye. Of course katulina new actors, ebintu ebimu ebipya kubo bikadde. Bwe twazimba youth election abavuka bwe twasooka okusindika mu youth council, all of them bagende 17. Because the moment you push them swallowed, batandika okwogera ne ba RDC, batandika obayitirayo mu indoctrination seminars. But likely bosindikayo, and bet me, bosindikayo 100 ojja kuba lucky okusigaza 5%.
Anti Mwanga, then structures were different and the law was different. Nedda kanko information, edda bagambanga youth structures ziri apolitical. Toleta byabufuzi jangu kati bava babakolanga ekyo kye babakolanga.
Well, I can tell you that. Era nzitira ku encouraging my youth to join structures. Deliberately ekyomanyi. Yana mwabisindika nga sibyagala. Ngandi, okay. Mukyagala bigezaako. Let's try to see what will come out. Kati ekyo nekigwa. That informs decision yange butabeera enthusiastic. Because kibanga oba osembereza abantu bo omulabe okutandika okwogera nabo okulina n'omuzigo omuliro. And I have a lesson with that twabasindika bakabuga. I can tell you a whole cluster ababigendamu, all of them ended up swallowed. But we are trying new things in a new era. Tunagezako letulaba ekyokubiri ekya Dr. Kizza Besigye. Two things. One, Dr. Kizza Besigye oyinza omufolotinga ku birala byonna, naye his leadership before and after an election, because an election is an event. Ejja nekola ki negwa. Kati the kind of political actors between mu Uganda abasinga, most of them are election oriented. Naturally actors become many. Bebugwa nga babula. Where Dr. Besigye has been a unique character has been his consistency after that period. For the last 20 years abadde a huge force of maintaining a struggle. So whoever wants to step in that gap, the biggest challenge will not be on what you do on the polling day. What will you do after polling? And that would be a measure of Baba individual. Now, the question identified with Dr. Kizza Besigye and consistently Mubimu meeting was is that situation it calling a for a leader, it calls for leadership. Abazungu abatera okujja ne bawagondi visits ku political institutions bebadda ekimu ku box gye batikinga is, do you have a team? Who composes your team? Are you bankable? Based on the team. Kati, what informs my worry is that the team is around the West. I'm being very selective with my words because it's sensitive. Is around the West. Both in FDC. Wagenzo government si nta. Nga nayo eri mutatas. There is a skeleton holding on to FDC, but a large party in anti, and the ate already trying to kufuna ebivanga abantu nga bawini Kizza envy about there baganta ebyokulonda tubikozeeki tubivuddemu. So what gap in terms of human resource jebaleka, and how long will you take? We tried to build around DP, okay? Nayo nakyo nekigana, and Now we are trying to build around NOP to have how far it will go. Now, for me, Muanga, not the Muanga part of NOP, is the biggest national challenge. Our Afghan government it's going to be when Kakanda Gambi. What NRM is doing requires a response. Right now, consistent, robust response. Every day. Mukwano gangona ali kufomu no marufuna amanya. So what? What infrastructure has he got in Butambala? Bamugambezo bili. Ne abakusabye bili bagenda kuform infrastructure? No. So what structure do you need to compete with Museveni in terms of resource and organization? But the other underlying factor, John, two others, Zenjok Madirako, is that also the message, the perception, as the parting shot of Dr. Kizza Besigye was music to the establishment. That is a message Rumushana speaks eloquently. That's a message NRM wants people to hear. It is the narrative of this monster. It is so powerful. You know, this response, Tekola. For me, that message,
Chebava take a message ya fulmulala fetu bukuba
Dai ya mkwano gwange wechi watu lero muji yakubu yakubo anje kutumulya natuba bubi yakuba ngachali eri mu kintu. It is the narrative onajimanye waffe tunayo omumyuka w'omukulu niwaluje ku nasako galo nachaga na batu nulira mmwe
kati bamweza tukola ki
kimumwenza tukola kimwe kale chokola kangende no genda, you know, because the narrative is bino bye muliko tebisobola tusesetula. Then the alternative is have when a mechanism endala eyo nayo najizimba enviably. So for me in a long discussion sagala kuleta wano has been with doctors been that line, that the moment you push that tetisoboka, then you are not a player. Okay, even when there are odds known. Okay, you see,
I am totally agree that Besigye has had a very contradicting position. Nayate, I think Besigye's, the way I read him, and the way I think the country needs to say, okay, you have a point. Alabikanga alowooza that you can mobilize the country to do it the Sudani way.
The Tunisia way.
The Tunisia way. And his participation is geared towards that mobilization. And therefore, if you deny him that mobilization, he has no business in participating. Then the question is the population ready for the Sudani way? Of course, him having participated in Museveni's struggle, because many people in 1980 also believed it was impossible to bring down a government with a force of arms. Therefore, for him, could be, he thinks that what people believe is impossible is possible.
It's possible.
No.
Funza
ngamfunza ebigambo ebirala is the harabaluk happening around NRM. With you know, I want to imagine the rest of the actual debate NRM establishment, which must worry Ugandans, is not what takes place in those structures of NRM. What is emerging outside NRM? That we are seeing more power going to an outfit ready by Saleh, and you people don't want to debate it. Ready by Saleh, ask this infrastructure eno yono mukuru eri mu constitution ejijawa. It is the debate we must start okuita nti oyo mukuru sale. Okay? Because you see when bishops go there anina baganda nyinane billion nkaga zenga bango omuntu. You know what is happening in NRM? Ne president aganti ebirowozo byengendo okuvugirako bali be babi impact.
I'm surprised that Mwanga, a key actor in Uganda's politics, you imagine that since 86 Saleh has been out of there.
No. You see the problem.
He has only been underground.
No, what we are saying right
he's
now.
Coming out now.
What you are now saying. What we see.
That's Mwanga's question.
Yeah, the Mwanga's question. That as you dance in NRM structure, who you want to be vice president, you want to be what? In terms of policy. Chiche mugendo kola yo because abo bana balonze bagenda muna munkekera. So why nana munkekera yani? Because you see you address the question of no mjaganjima, you address the question of honesty. Castro yagamba nzimjega muganda wange mu North Korea bagaya dear leader kati onulwa kyatulimba
Charles Mwanga omanyono Charles yatuukako emutundu
era manchi omukulu oyo ya interviewing abagenda for minister
one Besigye
allow Charles to submit.
Besigye ne Museveni muntu omu. It's the National Resistance Army occupational Nakba bonna bazimba state together. Two, Besigye ya usurped, grabbed, yajja ku Dr. Kawanga Ssemwogerere a democratic political movement nayagala agitwale into a militant activism and eventually nazimba character ya opposition and the two of them are a fiasco. Bonna bali kigo Museveni ne Besigye. Besigye mu kuzimba opposition agizimbidde ku Busungu, agizimbidde ku Mpalana, agizimbidde ku Chai. But opposition ne mu constitution twagiteekamu kyobola mu unit of government opposition yandibadde osobola okuleeta alternative view nga n'ebiseera ebingi n'omu government ng'asobola n'ali mu ludda olwa government ng'asobola okubayinga byuyo naye nga muli bamukwano ekyo kikyaganye either oli naffe oba oli ne bali bw'olya ne bali bw'onywa ne bali oli mulabe and Uganda ekyali wala nnyo. Ekyokubiri kyotunuulira mu NRA waliwo conflict nene nnyo nga Museveni avuddewo because bangi bola abateekamu sente nyingi. Of course
the propaganda that has been spewed agamba nti Besigye ne Museveni is propaganda that benefits the state.
No, what I'm saying,
carry on, Charles.
No, you know, kibazo omulala ayinza obutantegeera ayinza okuntegeera obubi obutantegeera but kibazo should be able to understand me.
No, I actually understand, Charles.
That's the reality.
Sinayo lunaku lunalumula nsubira Charles Romshana kwogera kiri positive eri Besigye.
Singa Besigye is my neighbor. The reality is that the Besigye mu bantu abazimbye opposition kwali. Please. Wanga kibumbi mpuliriza ate kati bwetandika okukasukira atoyombe. Besigye mu bantu abazimbye opposition is a factor. Question eri nti ye opposition gwe kibazo gye wandyagadde. That's why the debate is ateze nkwadde my view nti the opposition gye nandyagadde kwe kutuula ne Kakande ng'alina view ndala ne tudiscussinga ne tusinkana waweeru ne tunywa omwenge wamu. That's the view I would want. That we can support or oppose each other but without hate. Naye opposition jazimbye mu Mwanga Kivumbi. Nti Mwanga Kivumbi tayina kuyingira mu State House. Toyina na kulabwa ng'otuula ne president. That's what the opposition
actually, Charles.
Now, Charles, hold on. You don't have time.
No. Charles, hold on. The reverse is actually what is true. That Mwami Museveni yazimba infrastructure. That bw'olaba Mwanga ng'akutte Mwami Museveni mu ngalo. It implies owedde. Nalina Ibrahim Semujunganda ku TV. Ne Kakando.
Yes.
Mwami Museveni bw'agenda okujja okutusinkana mu corridor. Bw'akwata bw'ati ku mikono. The question wasn't tugenda kwogera ku ki. Great Zimuchochi. The question was, what is your need? Kati nze yali unfortunate ataina tailored need. Bantu muliranga atali wa buvunanyiza. Semuju bamuyita arrogant youth. Agamba
examples in a questionnaire.
But there is no time. You are not going to extend time.
Examples in a questionnaire. Chekuletera okulowoza nti the opposition does not have alternative ideas or
no, I haven't said alternative ideas. I have said nti wobo ina alternative idea nkulabinga my sister ndemukulaba as my enemy. That is the opposition we envisaged in the constitution, and I'm saying we don't have it. Museveni Nebesija are responsible.
Now, responsible for the militant.
Okay, no, okay, now
for the militant opposition.
Please.
Kubanga someone yesimba wo mu 1986. Aba NRM bamugamba nti ono ali suitable to be a priest.
But Besija was NRA. Now let me let me concede.
Ne muntu bagamba nti uyo
can I have
muleke chaza submitting it for
now the conflict in Aleja is between the deep state and the abamai emerging the national resistance buno bulolo bwabaddewo buno obusudde kyali gonza because abanje ababulimu batunulira NRA after Museveni, but bananyini NRA after Museveni tebali mu bululu bwa NRM buno bulawo primaries obuliwo. So ndaba that Muhoozi project line nga okola alignment eja egenda kubeera mechanical nto omuntu ali mu opposition bano bawulira mu opposition mu bibiina ebiwakanya are going even to be better nto bali abali munda bagenda kubayiga nga bayiga ensolo kyobola ba speaker ne namuganza bigambo biboogera si bigambo byangu because of so that trend is emerging. Seraba how bali omunsi ngeri yagenda okusuula kyalugonza namujjamu yenali naye nga atola waliwo NRA deep state ebali wanyisa kyalugonza aniridi nemukutula and kati we are part of the NRA deep state only part of the NRA deep state the new vision yawaddeyo story ngegamba they are organized gangs ezigenda okulemesa which are organizing okulemesa akalulu tontunulira yanakisa. That's also going to be another factor.
Like it was in 2001 Karangala Action Plan, like it was subsequently.
Now,
Simba